street, and everybody that you meet has an original point of view. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day, if we could learn to work and play and get along with each other.
Well, when I think back to third grade, Miss Kingston's class at Lakewood Elementary in Erie, Pennsylvania, I think about how my whole life was kind of, my destiny was cast and I didn't realize it, because I've gone back to third grade for so much of my story material for Arthur. The teachers that I use in my book, my principal, Mr. Haney, is Arthur's principal. Problems that I had on the playground with bullies. Binky Barnes, who I can't tell you the real name of Binky Barnes, but he looks exactly like that, or he did in third grade.